Chapter 28. Trembling. Irava. He flinches. I take a breath, spread my hands, and I drop my illusion, because I owe this to him, even as standing before him as Irava, even still in Caleb's clothing, feels like standing naked in a furnace under his gaze. He doesn't look away, but I watch his face going harder, watch his eyes cataloging every nuance of my face, matching, maybe, against Caleb's, seeing every difference, every lie. I'm a weaver, I say, and have to steel myself to press on, because my voice isn't the voice that first said his name. It isn't the voice he knows. I'm a powerful weaver. I know I can do good here. I already have. But I can't do that as a woman. I can hardly even be a weaver as a woman. Not in my mother's court. Certainly not here. The words hang in the air between us. A branch offered, but not taken. Who are you? He asks again. What would I find if I were to trace Caleb Aylin back to the village you came from? I am Caleb, I say, and hear my voice break. I'm still Caleb, and this is all I want to be here, all I can be. It's not quite the truth, and I know he hears that. He's closing up even more. And do I dare, in this moment now, to tell him my real name? I close my eyes, breathe several long breaths. He's still there when I open them, still watching me, studying every inch of my face, which is new to him. Oh, he will not soon forget my face. I trusted you, he finally says, and the words hit me like a dagger to the gut. I trusted you with my kingdom, with my family, with my... He looks away, gathers himself, and looks back. I want to know, fully and honestly, do you mean me harm? Do you mean anyone in my family harm? Did you, my father? No, I say, and is it enough? I step closer, reach up and press a shaking hand to his cheek, which feels like touching scalding iron right now, but he lets me. I had nothing to do with the death of your father. I have no wish to see you or your family or this kingdom harmed. None, Toravan, none, if you believe nothing else. He knocks my hand away, as he did when I tried to reach for him before. I have no reason to believe anything you say. No, I say numbly. No, you don't. But he's still here. He hasn't stormed out. He hasn't called his guards. I'll leave, I finally say. I'll leave the court. You won't see me again. I turn for the narrow opening in the hedges, to go out into the rest of the garden, but his hand brushes my shoulder. Not quite a touch. He's not sure what to do with me. Can you maintain your illusion? I look back at him, not sure where this will go, not daring at all to hope. Yes, and to demonstrate, I'm Caleb again, my voice deepening as I say, I am yours to command. A muscle in his jaw twitches, but he nods once. He's disheveled, with small rits in his clothes, blood still on his healed cheek, his hair a wind-swept mess, damp with the blown rain, as is mine, but he is every inch the king. Stay then, he says. I'm not sure this storm today was an accident, and despite all else, you stood in the center with me and helped save my palace. You will remain as a mage candidate. You will report to me, through Valtaire, if you see anything amiss, any sign of a weaver's or elementalist's attempt on my life or the lives of my family.